Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's recipe I'll be making chicken and vegetable stir fry. For this recipe I'll be needing chicken. As you can see, here is my chicken thighs, soft chicken, okay, and here I have broccoli, carrots, onion, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, okay. I like it when it's a little bit spicy. And also here is my blended garlic, ginger, and onion. Here I have corn flour, salt to taste, Maggi sauce, all-purpose seasoning, and grapeseed oil. I'll be using grapeseed oil for this recipe. You can make use of olive oil, sunflower oil, any type of oil of your choice, okay. To get started with this recipe, I'm going to deskin and debone this soft chicken and cut it into smaller pieces. Also cut all my vegetables, okay. So stay with me and see how I do that. Now I'm done removing the skin and deboning the chicken. So now I'm going to add the mixture of garlic, ginger, and onion. A little bit of salt, all seasoning powder, corn flour. I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of that, and also my Maggi sauce. And I mix everything together. After mixing everything together very well, I'm going to cover it and set it aside for 30 minutes. Okay. Please guys, if this is your first time here, kindly smash on the subscribe button down there, okay. I will really appreciate that, and also give this video a big thumbs up. So now I'm going to set this aside for 30 minutes. While I'm waiting for the chicken to marinate, I'm going to cut my vegetables into my desired shape. I'm done cutting my broccoli and carrot. In a saucepan, I have a boiling water here, so I'm going to add the broccoli and the carrots into the boiling water for nothing more than 2 minutes. Nothing more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes or less. We are not overcooking it here. A pinch of salt. Then I leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. It's been on for 2 minutes, so now I'm going to pour it and run a cold water on it to stop the cooking process.